Question number 7. What can you tell about profitability? For users focused on the investment side, we created a passive income model with a high internal efficiency. Depending on the chosen office and strategy, the platform's internal mechanics offer a daily profitability. It's important to understand that the final results depend on the participation model you choose, your activity on the platform, and the overall dynamics of the ecosystem. A daily profitability can be up to, I think, 4%. 4%. It's a huge number, I think. We aim to balance attractive entry opportunities, engaging gameplay, and the economic sustainability of the model. And question number 8. What does a fair launch of OFP mean? Fair launch for us, for OFP token, means a model where the team, insiders, or any closed group do not have privileged conditions compared to regular market participants. We do not consider a launch fair if some people get tokens at special price like beforehand, create a strong skew in distribution, or enter the market with an advantage over the community. So for us, a fair launch means clear and transparent starting conditions. Got it. No hidden advantages for a small group of people. Open access to the token for all participants. Transparent logic and equal rules at start for everyone. We believe that if a token is built as a foundation of a product, then its launch must be as open and fair as possible. That's why OFP is not just behind the scenes distribution. It's a public token. It's a public token launch that immediately becomes part of the working AI office ecosystem. Question number 9. What about tokenomics? The tokenomics of AI office project are built on the principles of transparency and Web3 principles and fair distribution. So the distribution of token, the distribution is designed so that the main part of the asset is directed toward rewarding active community members. So, for example, game rewards is about 88%. Pancake swap liquidity is about 7%, and team only 5%. Question number 10. The 5-level referral program. In the AI office project code, the 5-level referral program is implemented as a fully automated algorithm within the smart contract. It managed the reward distribution based on the user's current tariff plan. So, according to the sources, the logic of the program in the code works as follows. Automated payments. All referrals bonuses are paid out automatically from the dedicated game reward pool, where 88% of the total OFP supply is locked. The smart contract calculates and transfers the reward itself when transactions happen in your structure. All right. The code uses your current office level as a key to unlock earning levels. If your tariff isn't high enough, earnings from deeper levels are blocked. This is very important. All right. So structure of levels and activation conditions. Sorry. For level 1. So level 1 is 7% from the first line. Activated by the code when you have the startup tariff. Level 2, it's 5%, unlocks when you upgrade to the studio. Level number 3, it's 3%, becomes available to owners of the hub tariff plan. And level number 4, it's 2%, unlocked with the corporate tariff. And for last, level number 5 with 1%, it's a maximum depth, available only with the HQ tariff. All right. Question number 11. Question number 11. What is rent in AI Office? Rent is a mandatory weekly payment for the maintenance of your virtual office. It's deducted at the moment you manually claim your profit. This is one of the key elements for the economic stability of the project. So how rent works? Rent is charged once every 7 days for all tariffs. So once a week. No matter buying you buy, for example, you bought, for example, garage or another office, you will pay rent once a week. Deduction happens only when you claim your profit. If a user doesn't log in and claim, reward accumulation pauses until the rent is paid. This is also an important thing. The rent increases gradually. Rent starts at 5%. And increases based on the early bird model. Over 2 years, it reached up to 80% of the calculated maximum. 80. This gives an advantage to early participants as their initial cost is lower. So why is rent needed? Rent solves several tasks at once. Maintains user activity, encourages upgrade to higher tariffs, regulates the payback period and net profit, prevents overloading the economy with excessive payouts. Why is this important for the OFP token? Rent is a primary token sink, a mechanism for removing tokens from circulation, and it will work very efficiently. All right, got it. Question number 12. What stage is the project at right now? The project has already been tested and is fully ready for main launch. It's currently launched, but we're talking about main launch like not a beta or alpha version. So every week, our development team working on some upgrades. And about weekly upgrade also. First major update on I think coming week is the basic logic of the leader bonus. We are introducing a more transparent and clear mechanism for calculating the leader bonus. The leader bonus is one-time reward given to a partner when they reach a specific status. This status is determined based on the total team turnover, meaning the combined volume of all paid purchases made by the partner's entire structure over the entire working period, as well as meeting requirements for personally inviting participants who activate certain offices levels. To receive the leader bonus, you must meet all the conditions for the chosen status at the same time. You must have an active office that meets the criteria for that status. You must reach the required total team turnover volume. You must have the required number of personally invited partners. Those personally invited partners must also have an active office that is at least at the level required by the conditions of the status. Our goal is to make the leadership achievement system as fair, transparent, and easy to understand as possible. This way, every partner can clearly see their growth path and understand exactly what steps to take to earn the bonus. And the second big update is AI assistant in your personal dashboard. We're also preparing to launch an AI assistant which will be available right inside your personal dashboard, right inside the app. This will be like a multi-languageal helper that can communicate with users in different languages, making the platform even more convenient for the international community. The AI assistants will help you understand the registration process, get answers about your earnings and about your payouts, clarify details related to your financial income, navigate the platform's features, and more. In short, this is your personal digital assistant, always ready when you need it to help you find answers to important questions faster. All right. I think that's all for now. Maybe you have some questions and we can check our chat. All right, I see there are no there are no questions. Always good. All right. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our AI Office project. See you.